Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is a Hungarian dish called seke kaposta. This is instant pot. It's cooked in instant pot. It's basically beef and sauerkraut. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. See ya! So we're making seke kaposta, or I can say seke kaposta inspired, because this is not using raw beef, but this is a smoked beef. We were gonna make it like steak and have it, but this is just too thick for steak, so we just smoke it a little to make it browner and nicer a little, and we're just gonna cube this smoked beef. This is actually after smoked. We chilled it in the fridge for overnight, and now we're gonna slice it into cubes. Now just add about a quarter cup of flour. Before we smoked the beef, it was flavored with Montreal steak lightly, and now we're just gonna coat it properly. This is a jar of sauerkraut. It was 720 milliliter. We just rinse it, squeeze it, and then rinse again, so it's to lessen the sourness. What I have here, 3 kind of large garlic and 1 medium large onion. We're gonna slice them thin or chop them. Then we're gonna place this onion into the pot. We're gonna saute it with the garlic. So normally we would brown the meat first, but because the meat is already smoked, we just coat it with lightly with flour. Now we're just gonna saute the garlic and onion with a little bit of peanut sauce. I meant to say peanut oil, not peanut sauce. 1 soften, add in about 1 tablespoon of caraway seeds. Stir nicely. And some sweet paprika powder, about 1 to 2 teaspoons. The more the merrier. The Hungarians in my house love using a lot of paprika. Now pour a little bit of beef broth, just so that you don't burn the paprika. Let it a bit boiling, and then we're gonna add our smoked and coated meat. For the caraway seeds, I like it a lot. Somehow when I can taste it even more is the better for me, but that's depending on your household. So again, we're gonna wait until a little bit simmering or boiling, and then we're gonna add in our beef cubes. Now it's boiling. Add in our beef cubes and stir it. Now we're gonna dump in our sauerkraut. Now we're gonna stir it, mix it properly, then we're gonna add in more beef broth. So the beef broth is just enough to cover it. Like so. Now place the lid and choose mix to for 1 hour. Later, after 1 hour, we're gonna add sour cream and also dill pickles. I mean, just dills. Now mix about 1/3 cup of flour with 1/3 cup of sour cream. We're gonna add this mixture into the instant pot. I'm gonna add a little bit of beef broth to make it easier to dilute it or mix it. release the steam from the instant pot while it's still super hot. Right after releasing the steam, add in the flour mixture and mix it quickly. This is to thicken the stew. Now add in chopped dill pickle. I mean dill. I keep saying dill pickle. Now your stew or seke kaposta is ready to be served.